Today I'm sowing pak choy. Pak choy is a very versatile Asian green that can actually be grown all year round. It's also very quick to harvest. Sown now, I could be harvesting young leaves in as little as 30 days, or in 60 days I could be harvesting fully grown pak choy. Now, pak choy need to be sown around 10 centimetres apart. Of course you can oversow and then just thin the seedlings later when they establish. What I'll do here, start on my row. Again, very small seed, so they don't need to be sown very deeply at all. And I'll just drop them in along this trench. Now you could mix it with a bit of sand to help spread it, but I find that with round seed like this, they actually don't mix so well with the sand. And I'm going to do a second column over here, about 20 centimetres from the first one. Perfect. Very lightly cover over. And I'll give that a little water, and hopefully I'll be harvesting pak choy in about 30 days.